prisoner. Right now as well.
No.
It was.
It was.
Look at this. We're standing at the Tower of London. Wow. There's an entry fee for that, right? It's a bit expensive.
Yeah.
Go in there. So we're not gonna go in there. It looks so amazing. Look at the flowers and stuff. But basically it was a prison. I'll show you guys. The weather's cloudy. I hope it doesn't rain with these clouds, but it's cloudy. And oh, they're like crowns on the top, like small crowns. Obviously not real crowns, but like, I don't know if it's visible in the camera, but yeah, this is what it is. And now we're gonna go to Tower Bridge. So we are walking towards Tower Bridge now, so I'm gonna take a video of that as well, guys, to show you. This is the Tower of London. And then it's there, Tower Bridge, which we're not gonna cross it, but we're gonna, oh, we can take nice photos by the river, right, from that. Yeah, okay, nice. These are the buildings around it. What is that building? Docks.
Look at St. Catherine.
Saint Catherine, like properly spelled Catherine, isn't it? Right next to the Tower Bridge.
Don't stand there, there's a photo here.
Yeah. This is River Thames, isn't it? Thames River. Thames. We are walking right next to the London Bridge. Look at that. The beauty of London Bridge. That's Thames River. Are you okay? Uber, is that Uber? That's an Uber boat. So you can take Uber, you can book a boat with Uber to go on this boat. Wow, amazing. Whoa, it looks way better than Sydney Harbour, but Sydney Harbour is also has a different kind of look. No, like no, the Sydney Harbour Bridge I'm saying, honey. I'm saying Sydney Harbour Bridge is now we can see a complete Tower Bridge from here. Now we're going into the Tower of London shop to get some nice souvenir. It's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. So good.
So Mary Queen of Scots was held prisoner in the Tower of London, and she was born 20 minutes from our house.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
You want to see where she was born? You've seen where she was held prisoner?
I'm sure people who have watched Namaste London movie, you know, they remember this ship. It was there in that movie, you know. Look at the small pods. Yeah, people who have watched this Namaste London movie, they would surely remember this. The small pods. Well, not small pods, I would say the ship. Look at that. It's there, and right, I think the movie, you know, the wedding was there, done there, I guess, as a small cafe as well in there. So yeah, It's amazing, pretty amazing, man. So good. Yeah, we're now going on to the London Bridge. This is the bottom of the London Bridge. That was Tower Bridge. That's not London Bridge. This is London Bridge. Okay, I thought Tower Bridge and London Bridge are same, but yeah, London Bridge is different. It's like a normal bridge I can see, but it's known as London Bridge. I think, yeah, it's written everywhere London Bridge. I don't know the history of this, but yeah, cool. Looks really cool. Thames River. Thames. I'm back. This is one more bridge. There's like tons of bridges on Thames River, isn't it?
Thames.
Thames. That's what I said.
You're saying Thames.
Not Thames.
Thames.
Thames. Thames River. Okay, in India we say Thames, but they say Thames here. So look at this. There's one of the other bridges. They have all the fancy ones out. They have like a very vintage architecture because these bridges are like 1,000 years old. Some of them are like 500 years, 100 years, at least 1,000 years, right? The Tower Bridge is like 110 years old.
129.
129 years old. That more than that, 1,000 years, I guess. And this is like a Westbrook, no, Southwark Bridge. That's what they say, Southwark. I don't know how they say it here, but yeah, it's cool. I can smell the river from here. Yeah, it's cool, nice. We're gonna cross some 25,000 more bridges